On the dashboard, you will now see a link to your campaigns. Now choose the one you wish to promote. Click on the Article Submit tab. Check you have the correct campaign selected. Scroll down to the Article Generator tab and enter the target keyword for your article. This will create a list of 10 suggested article titles. Choose the title that is the most relevant to your given niche and click to import. Using the SEO wizard, add your chosen keyword and apply random styling to help with the on-page SEO. To add your link into the article, simply choose the best sentence for insertion and choose the link from the drop-down. Now click Submit Article to post to a relevant website.